is to be detached to go and engage a particular threat or a target. Who will come back? Who is designated ship to fire a particular weapon on a target? So he will designate all that. He will control. Sometimes he controls from here.
Of the fleet, ma'am, I have got electronic charts with me, and this display is called the electronic chart. In the P-21 ships with the fleet commander, yes.
And he designates who will come back, who is designated ship to fire a particular weapon on a target. So what class of ship it is? Specific name?
Commander Vivek
instrument landing for hands-off landing and hands-off takeoff. I said I will need to check whether for many hours you have to stay connected. And to which stay connected requires that alert.
They fall with the approval of the command, that is the bridge head. Every aircraft which is to land or take off or to maneuver, every approval is taken from there so that the central authority is controlling all. And you want to know what is the bearing and what direction is the ship. So you can look, the image is magnified and down below you will get a reading that the ship is in a particular direction.
This one has also the facility of doing ocean
And the ship can be steered from here and there are different positions in the operation room and the ASP. In case you want to shift to the operation room, you want the control to the operation room, or in case of a defect, there are emergency posts from where the steering of the ship can be done. All
EMF areas, and these are the areas given to different ships for range clearance.
Right.
They are clearing any merchant ships because in the evening we've got a fire.
Yeah.
So nobody should be here.
Through a controlled valve into the cylinders and the entire tanking is
And in this galley we have different gadgets to assist the cooks to make food because there are hot meals served with at least minimum of 3 dishes per meal as per the sailor's entitlement. And